Hi my loves. Bye my loves.
It takes some finesse. I sing you finesse.
Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm LYDIA STANLEY, fondly called Mrs. M. And if you're not new, thank you so much Butterfly for coming back to my channel today. In today's video, we are going to be talking about this gorgeous unit from QVR Hair. I mean, this is 18 inches of gorgeousness. It's a soft feather with beautiful, and I do prefer curly hair to straight hair because it's so much easier. Just spray conditioner and water. With straight hair you have to worry about straightening, all of that, hot combs, all of that. But this, I love it. I love defining curls rather than straightening hair. Let's just leave it at that. Okay, this hair is so lightweight on the skin. I cannot even explain it to you. You know how you're feeling hair on your body and it's just like itchy, just heavy, just take this foreign object off. This does not feel like that. This feels very natural. Of course it's 100% human hair, but it feels so good. You know, some people will claim to be human hair and not human hair at all. This feels so good, so good. 110 recommend, 110%. You know, I only bring you the best hair. Look how full that is. Keep enjoying the video my loves to see how I just put this wig on my hair. The main thing I did was just, you know, styling it as you'll see in the video. But let me know what you would use to style your curls. Like, let me know what you would use, what products you usually use. I'm looking for new products, so I might just try out something that you recommend. This forward because yo, that's so cute, no? I love that there's absolutely no glue at all. Absolutely no glue. I love that. I love it. I love that it's a closure, so it's very easy to put on. I love that it's very lightweight, but the curls are just absolutely beautiful. Just so beautiful. Check out QVR Hair. Okay my loves, every single link will be in the description box. Let's go ahead and put this on our head. Let's put this gorgeousness on our head, okay? Comes in this really cute box, pink box with this bow, so cute. Comes in this box and comes in this cute silk. It's not even silk, this is a lacy bag. We have two of this. This one is the branded one. So cute. There's a thank you card. QVR Hair. There's also a pink brush to match the whole pink aesthetic, of course. And this really cute purse. Really cute. This is 18 inches, as you can see. Can you see? Isn't that beautiful? Ah, this is so beautiful. Wow. I wish I would not wear it like this today. It looks like natural hair. It is so beautiful and so soft. 18 inches. That's so beautiful. So this is what I was telling you, like if you even comb the back, because I didn't get to the back, but if you comb the back, it can even get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Let me show you. Look at what the back looks like. Look how full the back looks like. It is so soft and so beautiful. Like, so beautiful. Wow. I'm almost tempted to wear this like this. Almost tempted. Like, that close. I have my brush here. Okay. Let's go ahead and make it bigger. Says so beautiful. Wow. Okay, so I'm just going to spray it down with conditioner, and I'm using this 14-in-1 Hawaiian Steel Kit to define the curls, and I'm just going to brush it through. I have a regular hair mousse here that isn't tinted, just in case I need, you know, extra definition. So let's just go. You see how beautiful that hair is. Can you see the curl? It is so easy. Can you see how curly that hair is? Like, that is so beautiful. That's so beautiful. Wow. Wow. So beautiful. I don't even think I need hair mousse, but let's just add Because look at those curls, look at that definition. That is... Whoa. Can you see? That is so beautiful. So this is the side that has been defined, and this is the side that hasn't been defined. So you can wear your hair either defined or not defined. Let me just go ahead and define this side, and I will be right back. Literally just water and conditioner, and this hair is getting so beautiful. Literally just water and conditioner. So beautiful. So my loves, it's completely dry now. I do absolutely love these curls. They're so beautiful. I want to show you something. I did make it glueless, just so you know that there's nothing here. I did make it glueless. All I did, because I'm not sure if they're recorded, was just to put a little bit of foundation, some of it left over here. So I just did that. I just used that to lace match me better, but there's absolutely no glue on this hair right now, like no glue whatsoever. The curls look like, I absolutely love it. It's gotten darker now because, you know, I finished doing my makeup and time had just gone. But yeah, check out QVR Hair, okay? And let me know if you'll be trying out a unit like this for December, for Christmas. Let me know what your thoughts are, okay? Link, you can get it down below to QVR Hair. I definitely recommend this hair. I love it so much. It's so lightweight, so soft, so beautiful. I mean, you saw how easy it was, just conditioner and water, and you got this beautiful curl. Bye my loves.